Hold on. What? So Jesus. I knew they asked me. And we're gonna start to stay great. My day's gonna be great, your day's gonna be great. Yeah. Begin the day, see what happens. Wait a minute. We're here. We made it. Woo! Same place I was here last week. That means KFC. Huh? Yeah, so I'm gonna get some food later. Oh, plan my day. I don't know where I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna try to get my ass slipped. So it's slippery and wet, so I'm gonna bust my ass and get ran over. Hell to them. So rather wait. The other people coming, not just me today. This group that's coming. Oh wait, that's the two ways. This day is here. They're coming here later. After me, so I usually just get from home. Usually they'll come home, but I can't come home to see them. And yeah, we'll meet them here. I'm gonna set things up and they're gonna we finished there. We're gonna get some food. They gotta go to Koptek. It is raining, surprisingly. Alexa was right. Not too happy about it. But what we gotta do. Rain is rain. It's weather is weather. So yeah, I'm gonna get some food and then head on to Koptek. I took out the skin, put in my mashed potatoes, and it's delicious. Real good. Real nice. When my KFC was banging. You saw what I did. Yeah, that's crazy. I love doing that. No matter it's KFC or Popeye. Got a side, I'll mix it up with the skin. It's fun. Make it crunchy. Don't lie, that shit was banging as boy. So yeah, we'll wait until it's time. We gotta take a piss. We gotta take a piss at KFC. Take a piss when it's time to go inside. When it's time to go inside. I'm gonna wait. And then I'm gonna go. Now, I'm just gonna chill and enjoy the weather. Inside and be stuck inside. Do I like it? I'm enjoying the nice breeze. And yeah, enjoying Tuesday. They always give me a cookie at KFC, but I never eat it. I give it to my sister. I'm probably give it to her. I got free furniture in McDonald's, so I'll put that up later. And then share with her. You know, it's all about the free stuff to make it look good. So you should get your apps because they cook you up. So yeah, wait, and then go inside.
No, because my boyfriend.
Well, you have that light on your phone, man.
Or
you're gonna be like, look at me, I'll take your phone from
the only
you,
logic I can think of that he has told me is,
Or if you're
I'm
blind
closer
and
to the ground, so I don't get nervous. But I don't think that makes sense. But I'm not going to lift off the ground.
Yeah, we're going home. The day's over. Let's go to the crib, boy. And we're gonna eat and probably watch some TV.
What happened? A rock on your foot?
Don's with sister. Using the hammer.
I want a Happy Meal.
No. Not me, not from me. My wallet is looking empty. I just came here because I have fries, large fries for $1. Damn. That was you want to be nice. Come on, let's go home. I'm out walking the dog. It's money, no. It's money. Yeah. Because, I haven't walked in a while. I'll take him out. Vlog. If you don't see me vlogging about him, I didn't take him out. So, yeah. And the dog, walking, not that bad. We'll feed my fries when I get home. It's large fry for $1. So when I get my sister some fries, then I took save it. So yeah, let's go back. Let's walk up. Oh snap! I feel like starting a challenge called the freestyle challenge. Just get like a 1 minute freestyle challenge. So yeah, let's start something like that. I don't know if it's gonna ever spread, but I'm gonna try.
Today, I'd like to introduce you guys to this very inexpensive.
I'm gonna say thank y'all for watching the video. If you haven't, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all
Now with this
tomorrow's
and my
video.
$10,000 gaming PC build, we're going to be wrapping up
Peace.
this series of very